Australia. The surf is up today. It was quite high yesterday. It's still quite high today. The waves are probably 7 or 8 feet high. And you can see Dragon Island in the background. It's early in the morning. The sun's just up. So I want you to feel the waves and feel the power and churning and stirring up of the energy within and around you. Tap into the transformative nature of your own innate, intelligent energy within and around you. You are powerful like the ocean. You are powerful beyond measure. Waves surge, rise and break. Let those parts of you that need to be released, let those parts of you that are protecting, that are afraid, that are resisting, let them break. Let them break with the waves crashing onto the shore. Let them break you open to free you from the prison of fear, from the prison of resistance, from the preservation and protection of the ego. You don't need protection. You are safe. You are powerful beyond measure. You are eternally boundless, untethered, free, always free. Make the choice to align with the timeline in which you are free, free from fear, free from the ego, free from interference, free from all forces and powers that would try and hold you back. You are unstoppable. Breathe that in. Feel that energy standing up inside of you, rising up inside of you. Say yes to it. Lean into it. Fall back in it. Break open with it. I honor you. I honor your light. I see you. I know you. Lean into knowing yourself in ways that you've never opened up to before. And then lean a little bit more. And then lean a little bit more. And just know that each time you do, you touch and connect to a part of you that's always been there. And you activate and unleash an aspect of yourself that will enliven your soul, expand your heart, change your experience of this life, where you will feel empowered, uplifted, where you will become a beacon of light for others, but a symbol of light for yourself as well. Remember this. Remember. Say yes. And experience the truth of who you are. And so it is.